70,000 to 67 people who died.
Religious leaders in Europe.
Corruption is widespread.
There are 43 Fijian troops.
Men, women and children
Pro-Russia separatists.
struggle to make the long journey to safety.
Climate change.
Because we have seen that is not true. I cannot be an observer to the destruction of a country.
These are the top stories.
Is pouring down, but you're too caught up looking down to see it coming from the skies. You say it's dry and barren in the land. There's no answer, no hope at hand. But you forget yourself. It's easy and fast to speak, to say things as we please, but you know where change really begins. You have got to change your mind. Change from deep inside, for everything else to change. I'm calling on rain for love that's run dry. I'm calling on rain for hope that's out of the way. I'm calling on rain for faith that's come to an end. I'm calling on rain for change. Oh, let the rain pour down. Let the trees blossom and green, let the flowers bloom with their leaves, let the rain flow down to the ocean, making everything grow over in faith, in hope, in love again. We must lose the lies of someone always to blame. When in fact, you and I are the ones that need to change. Change the way we view our world. Forget what's happened in past wars. Only love can conquer all. Choose today to do what's right. No need to loudly vocalize. There's too many noises, only feel the heart with dark pride to leave you empty inside. The future's now, the future's here, the future's you. One man's choice. Put your hands up if you're with me on this one. Yeah. One man's choice. Put your hands up if you're with me on this one. Yeah. I make a vow to change, no mere cosmetic change. Change in the way I think, the way I perceive, the way I feel. My human heart, no more deceit. Change for real. This is a new day. This is a new day. This is a new day. I'm calling on rain for love that's run dry. I'm calling on rain for hope that's not away. I'm calling on rain for faith that's come to an end. I'm calling on rain for change. Oh, let the rain pour down. Let the trees blossom and green. Let the flowers bloom with their leaves. Let the rain flow down to the ocean, making everything grow over. Faith and hope and love again.